So I am back with another video, and this video is going to be a little exciting. So I have been hoarding fabric all year, and now that it's summer, now it's time for me to get those fabrics together and start working on my summer wardrobe. Now I have quite a bit of things to show you guys today. Some of these fabrics have come all the way from the Middle East. I have begged people to bring me fabric back, and they did, and I have some really stunning things to show you guys. I have some things that I picked up locally, as well as things that I ordered off of the internet. So today is gonna be a fabric haul. If you're new here, I'm Charisse. I am a beginner sewist trying to work my way through the world of sewing, trying to sew myself a sustainable, cute, and modern wardrobe, and just do it on my own terms. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be showing you my fabric haul. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. These are very much me stepping outside of my comfort zone. These are colorful tie-dye knits that I found locally. And I just wanted to do something different. Summer is, of course, sundress season, and these are gonna be my bodycon sundresses that I'm going to be making with these fabrics right here. The first one I'm going to show you is something that I had before I wanted to rebuy, and it's this green neon, I think in like a blue tie-dye fabric. It is absolutely stunning. I made a dress with it last year. I haven't worn it as yet, but it's very, very gorgeous. I like it. I love it so very much. I only got a half a yard because that's all I need. I'll be making what tank is it? I will be making a tank. I have the pattern piece here somewhere, I can't remember. It's called the Sylvan Tank Dress. It is on the list of my 10 free summer patterns that you need. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link it up top. But I'm gonna be making this into a tank dress. Then I'm going to be using this very beautiful pink and orange tie-dye knit fabric as well to make another tank dress. It is very beautiful, very summery. It's the same consistency as the other material, so it has a really good stretch to it, so it's going to suck you in all the right places, make you look like a superstar. I really like this. I got a yard of this because I wanted to make a few things. I wanted to make a tank as well as a tank dress. So I got quite a bit of it. And I'm kind of surprised that I was able to find these home. Knit fabrics are a little more pricey here. I got these for like $11 a yard, which is a little more than I kind of want to spend on fabric. And the last knit fabric that I got was this pink marbled tie-dye fabric, similar to the other three that I've shown you guys. It has, of course, the same stretched component to it. It's very, very thick. I think it's really good quality, not too see-through, which makes it a great option for a tank. And I got this in a yard as well, just because I wanted to also make maybe like some biker shorts out of this, and maybe a matching knit top. So I have high hopes for these 3 pieces of fabric. So I'm going to be moving on to my linen and cotton stash. All of these I actually got locally, which is very shocking. But the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this very nice yellow linen fabric. This is how it is looking. If you can see, it has kind of some embroidery. It looks kind of like, I don't know, it looks kind of like a cross type of embroidery. I didn't notice exactly what it was when I purchased it. I just thought it would have been cute. It's a little on the stiff side. It's not really soft, so I'm a bit curious as to how this is gonna come out, but I intend to make like a few dresses with this. So I purchased this fabric a year ago, but I wasn't confident in my ability to sew with eyelet fabric. I absolutely love this fabric. Look at it. It is stunning. It has lots of holes in it. And I want to make a very cute dress with this. I think this is going to be perfect for a dress or a really nice crop top. It has kind of scalloped edges, which I did not notice before. So I am just dying to use this fabric. I wonder if I can go and purchase some more because I did not realize that the ends were scalloped, and I'm kind of digging it. Like, I really like this. So it's very summer, very chic, very cool, kind of elevated, you know. This is giving me luxury. Moving on to another quintessential summer fabric is the Swiss dot fabric that I kind of went crazy with last summer, and I had to go and buy some more. It's this beautiful romantic Swiss dot fabric in white. It is so pretty, so stunning. And I made a few tops, and I tried to make a few gathered dresses last year. It did not work out. The top did, but the dress didn't. So this year I'm a little more confident in my skills. I think that this fabric will fare a little better. I want to make a dress, a nice romantic flowy dress. I think that'll be the perfect pattern, some type of pattern. Find something that's like flowy, very like romantic. You can do like a summer picnic, a brunch with, and yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do with this. I got this from a local store called, oh, where did I buy this from? This came from Avril's Fabric in the Bahamas, Nassau. If you are local and you want to get some of this, I'm not sure if they would have any more because this was last summer, but you know, there's not many of us who are you know, experimenting, so I think they should have it. So the next two pieces of fabric that I'm going to show you guys, I'm not sure if I did a fabric haul on this before, but I want to say I did, but I'm not too sure. It's been so long. So I went to San Francisco maybe last year, and I picked up two pieces of fabric from Britex, and I never got to use them, and I think that I'm gonna use them this summer just because they are so, they're summery prints, and I think they would be good. The first one is this, I think this is a rifle paper rayon print, and it is very colorful, very summery, lots of flowers, evokes of course summer, cool weather, warm weather, and just very picnic vibes, brunch vibes. And I love me a good print with some florals. And another piece that I got in piece of fabric that I got in San Fran is this really lovely, this is, I don't know if it's a feather or if it's a leaf, but this leaf silky print. So my thought is to make a Sewing by Mason, oh my god, what is the pattern called? I just was looking at it. Anyway, it's a Sewing by Mason pattern, and it's a bias cut dress. I think I want to do that with this, make it nice and short for the summer with some sandals or maybe like some soft white tennis, I don't know, tennis shoes. Two fabrics I am very excited about. These came all the way from Turkey. I had a friend who was in Turkey for like, would seem like forever, and I told her, I was like, I know Turkey is known for really good quality fabrics, so could you please go to the bazaar and get me something? And she did, and oh my god, it was a dream. Like the types of fabrics and the cost, it was just so, I think these fabrics were like $2 or something like that, and these are so stunning. So I'm gonna be making a pair of drawstring pants or like elasticated pants with this first one because it is stunning. This is a paisley print. It's like an orange, or like, it's like an orange / rust color, but oh my goodness, look at it. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. It's silky, a silky material, and it feels so good. The quality looks really amazing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to cut into this. And yeah, this is something I think I am gonna cherish. and make something really nice with, because I am like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. I can't even like, the camera doesn't no justice, because you have to feel it to feel like how luxurious it feels. It's really, really nice, guys. And the other fabric that she got me, y'all know homegirl loves some floral prints. This is another kind of, this one isn't as silky. I can't even really tell you guys what this fabric is, but it's just really stunning. And this is how it looks. It's a floral-esque print fabric, and it has some thickness to it. So I think this is gonna either make me I'm gonna make a shift dress out of this, or I'm gonna make me some pants. I'm really excited, guys. So yeah, that's my new thing. If you're going anywhere around the world, I'm gonna ask you to bring me some fabric back. So I think this was really nice. And fabric, when you go to certain places, is very inexpensive. So that's why I cannot wait till I go to South Africa at the end of the year, because I'm gonna bring so much fabric back. Like, it's gonna be insane. So the last two pieces of fabric I have to show you guys is from Mood Designer Fabrics. Everybody knows about Mood. And I recently went to Miami, and they opened up a new flagship location in Miami. It is huge. It is nothing like the New York store, which is very crammed, which is insane. So the Miami store is located in the Design District in Midtown. It is a gorgeous location. It's 2 floors. It's just 2 floors, but it's just so much space. Everything is organized. Everything is not overwhelming. You can find everything that you're looking for. You don't have to feel like you're going through like a swap market or a swap meet, or like going through years of fabric. It just is that organized, which I really loved about my experience there. It's new. You don't have to worry about hundreds of people kind of shopping and getting in your way when you're looking for fabric. I really, really loved my experience there, just for the sheer fact that it was so organized. They had everything you could have possibly wanted. And I find that the selection for me was a little better, because I'm coming from a hot climate. I'm looking for chill fabric, cool fabrics, linens, cottons, and I was able to find some really great pieces. I got 2 things from there. I didn't want to run out, just because I have so much fabric that I haven't used it as yet. So I just got like 2 pieces of fabric. The first one I got was this stunning coral double gauze fabric. Very, very nice. So my plan for this is to make a really nice, maybe 2 or 3 tiered gathered dress with some wide straps. I hope I don't waste my $11 fabric, but I just think that it is the perfect summer fabric as well. It is nice and cool and just eye-catching. So that is why I purchased this. They had it in so many different colors, but this one really captured my heart, guys. And the next one, which is, oh my God, this is a favorite. I know I say everything is a favorite, but this is like, whew, this was amazing, guys. This is a very lightweight linen, and this is like, I would give my dog for more yards of this. No, I wouldn't, but just look at this stunning piece of fabric, guys. Oh my goodness. This is like fabric porn, guys. Oh, wow, I love it so much. This was a little more. This was for $18 a yard, and it was a sacrifice, because I'm like, oh no. But I just found that this fabric I wouldn't have been able to find anywhere else. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite fabric out of my entire haul today. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, just because this is like the coveted fabric. I don't want to mess this up, so I have to think long and hard on what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know yet, but I'm not gonna jump and just use it, but this is gonna be, I'm gonna save this for something special, But yeah, I really loved it. I really like this. Like, I don't know, it's just something about it. So this is my stash, guys, and so I think I have just about everything that I need to make the Bomb.com summer wardrobe. I have everything from linen to silky fabrics to knits to linens to cottons, Swiss dot, eyelet, just about everything for summer. So yeah, if you want to see what I'm going to be making with these, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, and I'm gonna be over here sewing like a mad woman. So yeah, check back next week and I will start kicking off my summer sewing. Everything that I'm gonna be sewing, I'm gonna be starting next week. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be starting with these knit dresses, but you'll have to check back to see what the next video is gonna be. So thank you guys for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you right back here next week for another video.